If we look at the ahadith, we also find that doing wudu is one of the ways of attracting Allah's rahmah. When I say the word wudu, you automatically associate it with what? Salah. I do wudu to do my prayers. But do you know, brothers and sisters, that wudu is ibadah in and of itself? It's an ibadah. In fact, any alim, anyone who is an arif, ask them about wudu and they'll tell you that one of the secrets of spirituality is being in a state of tahara. Some of the greatest scholars in the houses, when I talk to them, they tell me that when we were students taking our muqaddimat and our sutuh, we always went to class in a state of wudu. That's why the sixth Imam alayhi salam, he says, "Man jaddada wudu'ahu li ghayri salah." The one who renews his wudu. You're already in a state of wudu, but you renew it. جَدَّدَ اللَّهُ تَوْبَتَهُ مِنْ غَيْرِ اسْتِغْفَارٍ. Allah will renew your repentance without you even having to ask Him for forgiveness.